up, cause you know I don't chalk it off with no hoes. What you proposing, start telling me so I'm Korean, not Japanese, how don't you know? Don't feel my flow, don't you say so, starting getting me, once you go motherfucking blow. Yeah, it's not show, doing that snow, what you be telling me, get out that door. Acting like a dumb bitch, you gon' need to stop it. I don't mess with fuck shit, what the fuck is all this? Why you fucking big lips, you gon' need to shut it. I don't want all this, you know I need to suck dick. First on the boat, 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 first on the boat. 40 ounce in my backpack, she keep talking about wanna smack that. At the back, she be making flapjacks. Fuck is this, all these fuckers be mad. Yo, hey, fuck this, never give a fuck about all that love shit. While my life always gotta fucking suck dick. From a train, so now I can't trust shit. First on the boat, 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 first on the boat. Fresh on the boat, you should get up, cause you know I don't struggle, don't fall with no hoes. What you propose, not telling me so I'm Korean, not Japanese, how don't you know? Don't fuck my flow, don't you say snow, so it ain't kidding me, hoes you gon' motherfucking blow. Yeah, this not show, doing that snow, what you be telling me, get out that door. This is just a random message, but just making sure that you're taking care of yourself and doing things, you know, like drinking water, staying hydrated, fucking eating food, sleeping. Just remember that you are your greatest success, and that all throughout life you'll be faced with problems, but the more problems you face, the more you will learn, and you will be the greatest. Yup, the greatest.